Look at you, Zulu, sitting in the sunlight, waiting for Mama and brother to come back, right? Look at you. All lit up by the sun coming through the door. Such a beautiful face, huh? Who doesn't love a face like that? Such a beautiful Basenji. Yes, you are, Zulu. Yes, you are. Bye-bye. Look at this package of cuteness this morning. In particular, this one. Aw, she moved. Well, then we'll go back over to you, because you're cute, too. Yeah, you are. Look at those eyes. Zulu, what are you doing? And what are you doing? Just hanging out casually? Apparently. Look at that. That is just cool looking when they lay like that. You guys love each other, don't ya? And what do we have here? How cute is this picture? They're like, oh man, you caught us being casual again. Let's move around. This never happened. You guys, you're so funny. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to ring the bell.